Very good way here.
Today we celebrated the ceremony of groundbreaking, and now our two buildings are connected. Our home today is the House de la Salle, and our future home to the Faculty of System Engineering. And that will be in the former Maria Convent, a fantastic place which was home not only to nuns but to education. So we will now continue 100 years of education. And continuity and sustainability go together in this big project of bringing life back to the Maria Convent. It was a fantastic ceremony. We had a lot of visitors, also from abroad, from the UNDP, but also guest lecturers were present from Leuven, but also from Luxembourg and Vienna. And there were the government present, represented by 4 ministers, our dear Prime Minister and the Minister of Economy, the Minister of Finance and the Minister of Education. So we saw really the support of the island for the university. It will host our system, our engineering faculty, and you must think of classes like biology, mathematics, but also innovation, digitalization, new solutions for problems of islands and especially of Aruba. The contractor has now some 12 months to proceed with the restorage, and then we will need some extra months to put in the library and tables and chairs. And then the community life, I see it already in front of me with the winter semester in 2024. For us, it's picturing the future. Now we are trapped in a small building without all facilities, and we made it happen to offer bachelor and master classes. And in the future, we can have the right infrastructure for research, for education, for staff members. And I really see this as a capacity building for the island. For the students, you're welcome to the university. We are on a way forward, a brighter future, and they are part of it. The students are our academic community, and we make it happen. Together, we are proceeding, and with the students, we only have a right for existence. So it's so important to have the students on board, and we started our master in a system now with some very engaged students who already have leading positions and really want to make a change and live already sustainability, and I'm very grateful for that. And we have to thank so many people from the European Union to UNDP to our government, but also inside many people with a lot of resilience who made it happen that we can teach here even under limited possibilities.